So let's move to the next page, where we're going to conclude the solving. So the previous page, we stopped at 30 equal to 5 bracket 3 plus z, right? So let's see. 30. I don't like using red. I like using blue. Okay, so 30 equal to what? 5 bracket 3 plus z, right? Yes. So what do we have? 15 plus. So we have 30. We have to expand, right? Yes, sir. If we expand, we get what? 15 plus 5z. 5 what? Z. Please, this is not 2z. Okay, so now because our target is to find z, right? It's on the right hand side of the equation. We can now move everything here because that's our subject. Our subject is z. So we can move everything here, sorry. That's 15 plus z, right? 15 plus z, move it. Then move 30 to this other side, right? Okay. So z is my target, so I leave 5z here. Then I move what? 15 to this side, right? Yes, sir. And it will have a minus, right? Yes, sir. And that will give us what? 5z equal to what? 15. Divide both sides by what? 5. And that will give us what? 3, right? Yes, sir. So z is equal to what? 3. Okay, right. Now you got it or not? Right. You got it or not? Right. Let's move to the next page. Okay, so we move to the next question. That's number 15. The mass of a bag of rice is n kg. A bag, that's 1 bag, is equal to what? N kg. So whether you feel it or not, make sure you write it. Now they say the weight, if 4 bags, if 4 bags weigh 12 kg. What is the value of n? What is the value of what? N. Now watch. Is this direct proportion or inverse proportion? Because the more the bags, the more the what? The weight. So because of that, it is what? Direct what? Proportion. Is that clear? So because it's a direct proportion, we can actually solve this problem this way. Everybody watch. You know what I will do? I will divide now. Pay attention. I will say 1 bag over 4. If you have a question, you ask when I'm done. 4 bags equal to n kg over 12 kg. Is that clear? So the bag and the bag will what? Cancel. The kg and the kg will what? Cancel. So what do I have? 1 over what? 4 equal to n over what? 12. So if I cross multiply, I will have 12 equal to 4n. Is that clear? Yes, sir. Write fast before I do the conclusion part. Sir. Although I can do the conclusion part here, I can say 4n is equal to 12 over 4 over 4, right? Therefore, open the door. Therefore, n is equal to what? 3. That's the answer. So we are done. Write fast. So n is equal to what? 3. Number what? Number 16, right? Yes, sir. A bicycle that costs X naira was sold for
Y naira.
Y naira. That means cost price is equal to what? They say if a bicycle that cost X naira, right? Was sold for Y naira. So cost price is X naira. While selling price is Y naira, right? Express the percentage loss in terms of X and Y. Percentage loss has a formula, true or false? True. So let's go. Let's get the percentage formula first. Percentage loss is equal to percentage gain or percentage profit is selling price minus cost price over cost price times 100%. But for percentage loss, it will be cost price minus selling price over cost price times 100%. Is that clear? So what do we have?
X
Minus Y over the cost price X, right? Times what?
100%.
Right? Yes. So let's see the options. I know they did not put percentage by the side. They
Yes,
just
sir.
wrote times by 100. So what's the answer? C. The answer is what? The answer is what? C, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And C is minus. Yeah, that's the answer. Over X. Good. Beautiful. So that's the answer. Okay. Okay. We move to the fourth question. The question says that number 17, right?
Yes, sir.
The sum of two numbers is 15. Let those two numbers be X and Y. Their difference is 7. That's X minus Y. Is what? 7. Find the number. Find the what? So these are you aware these are simultaneous equations?
Yes, sir.
So we can solve them simultaneously by saying let equation 1, let's subtract equation 2 from equation 1. And if we do that, it will be X minus X plus Y minus what? Y equal to 15 minus what? 7. Is that clear? You don't understand, make sure you let me know. X and X we go because X minus X is what? 0, right? This is Y plus what? Y. Because Y times minus is what? Plus. Equal to what? This is what? 15 minus 7 is what? 8, right? So that's 2Y equal to what? 8. Divide both sides by what? 2. Y becomes what? 4. Y becomes 4. Okay, so we can do that substitution quickly. We can substitute the value of Y in equation, put 4 for Y in equation 1. If we do that, X plus Y equal to what? 15. And Y is what? Y is what? 4, right? If Y is 4, it is 15. If I cross it, what do you think my X will be?
X will be
X will be. I need a space to do that. Okay, let me just hold on. So X will now give us. We can even do it here. X will be 15 minus what? 4, which is what? 11. Write that fast. So they say we should find the value of what? Find the number. So therefore the numbers are 4 and what? 11. 4 and what? 11. If you add 4 and 11, will you get 15?
Yeah.
If you subtract, will you get 7?
Yes.
That is correct. So the last question, which is number 18, solve the equation a plus 10b equal to 6 and 5a minus 10b equal to 18. And they now wrote something simultaneously. Yes, that's what they wrote. That we solve them simultaneously. That means these two equations are simultaneous equations and they have the same solution. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, the fastest way to do this is to find a way to eliminate either A or B. Because this, you can see the first equation, the coefficient of B is 10. And the second equation, the coefficient of B is what?
Yes.
So the fastest way to do the elimination is to either add the two equations or you subtract. So what do you think we should do to easily eliminate B? Is it to add or subtract? Maybe you subtract now, that will be plus. So that will be 20, right? But if we add B, we go, eh? So let's add. You can say 1 plus what? 2. Equation 1 plus 2. That will now give us what? A plus what? 5a plus 10b minus what? 10b equal to 6 minus what? 18. And this will give us 6 what? A. This and this will go, right? 0. And this will give us what? Minus what? 12, right? Is it minus 12?
Yes.
Who said it's plus?
So we start adding equation 1.
Every add equation, okay, that's true. That's supposed to be what? Plus. That's very true. So that will give us what? If we have to add, that's 20 what? 4. Sorry. We have the plus, and you have the 24. Okay, so we now divide both sides by what? By the coefficient of what? A, which is what? 6, right? So A becomes what? 24 divided by 6 is what? Now, copy that fast, so I'll show you how we can substitute in any of the equations to get B, right? Yes. We copy that fast. Action. Now, we are going to substitute the value of A in any of the equations to get the value of what? B. So let's do that quickly. So, the first equation is what? We can say substitute for A in equation 1. Let's see use equation 1. It doesn't matter. We can use any of the equation. And equation 1 is A plus 10B equal to 6. So let's work with that. A plus 10B equal to what? 6. And our A is what? 4. 10B equal to what? 6. So if I move this to this other side of the equation, I have 10B equal to 6 minus what? Which will give us 10B equal to what? 2, right? Divide both sides by what? By 10. What are you supposed to get?
1 over 5.
1 over what? 5. If we are to take it to decimal, it will be 0.10 over 5, which is what? 0. What? 0.2. So, therefore, A is equal to what? 4, and B is equal to what? 1 over what? 5. Who got it? I mean, I thought you guys right. Okay, so that's the end of the past question.